Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the timing for touch and hold delay on your Samsung or Android phone. Go to your settings and click in accessibility, then interaction and dexterity. Right, then here if you scroll down under the touch settings, you will find the touch and hold delay feature. So you can tap on that and you can change the timing. As you can see right now, mine is set to short, and you can easily change it to long, very short, medium, whichever one, or you can even choose the custom and choose whatever you want. If you want to make a custom, just simply use your finger to go around in circles, around and around and around, till you choose a time, or till you find amount of seconds that you will find satisfactory, and you can just choose that and basically do that. And that's it, guys. Once you're finished, just click and save, and you will see that it automatically set the time for you. And that's it. If you want to go back to something as default, you can always go back and choose one of the default ones, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.